Jadi hari ini kita akan berdiskusi bagaimana cara kita mempromosikan produk teman-teman. But in English nih. Because the day is our 17th meeting. Jadi kurang 3 hari lagi kelas kita akan segera selesai. That's why on Friday it's our final meeting. Nah, di sini ada beberapa expression yang kita bisa gunakan untuk mempromosikan produk kita nih. So we could find it's about this. Yang pertama, for the first step that you could say it's about introduce the product ya. That you could say it's about name, nama produknya apa kira-kira. That you could mention about name of the product and what kind of product nih. Dan produknya tuh jenisnya produk apa ya. What kind of product that you usually buy it for this one. And for the first expressions, kita bisa pakai this is. Yang artinya ini adalah ya. This is apa nih kira-kira. And also that you say about as you see. Seperti yang kamu lihat nih artinya. As you see, the product is apa. Ingatnya seperti yang kamu lihat, produknya adalah apa kira-kira. You could say about that nih. Terus, that you could say about tell about the ingredients. Teman-teman bisa sebutkan bahan-bahannya ya. It is made with. Yang artinya itu dibuat dengan apa nih. But it's made in, itu lebih buatan mana nih. Jadi mungkin barang teman-teman kebanyakan it's made in China. Or maybe it's made in Korea, like this one. Tapi kalau made with, dibuat dengan. Kalau made in, dibuat di. Dibuatnya di mana kira-kira. That you could say it's about that things nih. Or maybe that you have a specific product. Mungkin teman-teman di sini ada yang punya produk yang sangat teman-teman sukai. It looks like a Chinese product or maybe, sorry, China product. Kalau Chinese nanti orangnya ya teman-teman ya. That you could say about China product. Or maybe that you love about Western product like this one. Or maybe that you say it's about that you really love a local product nih, that you ever bought on social media that you have it. Or maybe that you bought it on e-commerce looks like a Shopee, Tokped, or maybe Lazada for this one. Oke. Ada juga tell the special things about the product ya. Ini step yang ketiga ya teman-teman ya. Teman-teman ceritakan hal spesial apa dari produk yang teman-teman beli atau produk yang teman-teman suka. Tell special things about the product nih. Biasanya nih, hal spesial apa yang biasa teman-teman temukan nih dalam produk yang teman-teman beli ini? Ada yang pernah menemukan sesuatu yang spesial dari produk yang teman-teman beli? Mungkin Bro Fahmi, have you ever found the special thing from product that you bought? Or maybe Sis Adinda pernah menemukan sesuatu yang spesial dari produk yang dibeli? Mungkin dari it looks like makanan ya kan? Atau mungkin dari barang-barang elektronik like this one. Maybe Sister Roger that you ever found some things that's so really special from product that you bought.
I think my skincare Buyut.
Oh, skincare sis Adinda ya. That's about the
Hmm.
skincare that you bought that you find about the special things nih. Apa sih special things dari skincare yang pernah sis Adinda beli? What kind of special thing that you ever bought from
Um,
skincare?
I bought my moisturizer, and
Hmm.
the ingredient is vegetarian, so it works
Wow.
well in my sensitive skin.
Okay. It's about of the ingredients yeah. That's a really special
Hmm.
for you and it's
Yeah,
suitable
it's
to your skin like this one. Okay.
yes.
Okay. And does you prefer buying offline or online for skincare? Kalau
I
skincare lebih prefer
buy
offline atau online?
online.
Wow, the online one ya. Did
Online.
she choose it nih? Okay. And also what kind of e-commerce that you usually choose it? Is that Shopee,
I
Tokped,
usually
or TikTok?
use Shopee.
Okay, the one and only ya. This about Shopee ini that you choose it. Okay, this already causes Adinda that you have mentions about the special things ya, especially for skincare nih. Oke, jadi seperti itu teman-teman. Jadi juga bisa kita gunakan expression ini you cannot find ya. You cannot find apa nih mungkin ingredientnya nih in other product nih. Atau nggak bisa menemukan it looks like a feature-featurenya ya. Exactly when we try to talk about electronic product ya. Kalau kita ngomongin tentang barang-barang elektronik, pasti kita sering banget menemukan fitur-fitur yang spesial nih. Mungkin dari kameranya ya kan. Atau mungkin dari service ya. Nah, service dari produk tersebut nih. And there are some special differences. Jadi ada beberapa hal produk yang menjadi berbeda nih dari produk yang lain dan bikin spesial ya teman-teman ya. There are some special differences nih. Jadi kalau ini ada there are berarti nyebutin lebih dari satu ya teman-teman ya. Kita bisa pakai first or maybe that you could say it's about second ya kan. Kita juga bisa pakai yang third. Nah, itu juga kita bisa gunakan tentunya. There are some special differences nih. That you could find it about that nih. And the next steps ya that you could say about tell how to get it ya yang artinya ceritakan bagaimana teman-teman mendapatkan produk tersebut you can get this in go to an e-commerce nearby store to get this ya jadi kamu bisa mendapatkannya di mana go to an e-commerce ya kan pergi ke sebuah e-commerce nearby store to get this ya kan atau pergi ke e-commerce atau temukan toko terdekat ya. Nearby itu lebih ke dekat teman-teman. And also that you could find it's about invite them to buy your product ya. Jadi ajak mereka untuk membeli produk teman-teman. Grab this fast, dapatkan secara cepat. It's limited, don't miss it ya. Jadi cara mengajaknya ada beberapa expression yang kita bisa gunakan teman-teman. Selain beli, dapatkan secepatnya, atau juga kita bisa menginvite dengan it's limited ketika barangnya limited ya. Jangan sampai kehabisan. Don't miss it. Jadi miss itu nggak cuma artinya kangen ya teman-teman ya. Tapi juga kita bisa artinya adalah kehabisan atau ketinggalan ya. Itu juga bisa kita gunakan. Jadi dalam sebuah kosakata bahasa Inggris tentunya teman-teman. Jadi artinya itu nggak cuma satu. Kayak miss itu nggak cuma artinya kangen. Tapi juga kita bisa menemukan arti yang lain tentunya. Kayak kalau kita mau bilang buku ya teman-teman ya. Ternyata book nggak cuma artinya buku aja. Tapi juga bisa kita artikan memesan nih that you could find it's about that. And also when we try to talk about product ya teman-teman ya. Have you ever felt disappointed when you buy the product? Ada yang pernah nggak teman-teman kayak merasa kecewa ketika membeli produk either online or online ya? Mungkin produknya online atau offline produk nih. Mungkin Sis Roja, Bro Fahmi, or Sis Adinda pernah merasa kecewa ketika beli sebuah produk nih? Have you ever felt disappointed? And what kind of product that make you disappointed nih? Produk apa yang bikin teman-teman kecewa kira-kira?
Maybe about viral food to use.
Oh sure, viral food. Okay.
Yeah, like
What?
Dubai Chewy chocolate.
Okay, that's I know it's about Dubai Cheese chocolate.
It's
Why?
too sweet. It's too
Huh?
sweet.
That's too sweet for
Too
you?
sweet. Too sweet for me. Yeah. And quite expensive.
What expensive? How much?
Uh 50,000 for one Dubai
50,000?
Chewy cup.
Oh
Yes.
my God. That's expensive one, eh? Exactly. Right. And where did you buy it? Did you buy online or offline?
No, someone buy for me.
Oh, someone's bought to you, yeah. Exactly, yeah. That's why
Yeah.
that she could find it about the taste or the flavor of Dubai cheese chocolate like this one. And how about the sizes, Adinda? Is that big or medium or small bar
Oh,
for the chocolate?
small.
That's small. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
That's about small and expensive. Yes, about 50,000 stay for that the per bar nih. And how about right now? Is that still viral? It's about that chocolate? And can you find it easily
Yes,
for
it's
this one?
still.
Okay.
Uh, no, I buy it or apa? If I want to buy it, we need
Hmm.
to by PO, pre-order.
Hmm. By pre-order right now ya.
Yeah.
Basically, oh, right. That's why now Dubai chocolate that isn't too viral like before ya. Jadi sekarang udah nggak terlalu viral lagi. It's only for the several
Mm.
months ya. Exactly ya. And that you feel disappointed for that nih. Exactly. And do you like chocolates? Do you like chocolate so much like that is Adinda? That's why that you're really curious about the chocolate. That's why that you want to try
Yeah,
it.
I like the normal chocolate.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Okay.
It's because Fuji, Fujian,
Yes.
and then uh, see it, see it that uh, every time, and then I want to try it, and then my husband
Mhm.
buy, but I asked
Okay.
him how much the price. It's 50 for one cookie, and then I want to buy it again.
All right. Because of Fuji, yeah? Right. That's
Yes, it's because
Fuji.
Fuji.
It Dubai chocolates every day. That's why
Uh, yeah.
she influence ya everyone about
Hmm.
Dubai chocolates nih. That's why this make you curious for this one ya. Because of social media and also support of the influencer who try to promote about the chocolates nih. Okay. And have you ever tried this another viral one ya? Mungkin teman-teman yang lain seperti Sis Adida pernah mencoba viral seperti coklat Dubai atau mungkin Bro Fahmi atau Sis Roja pernah mencoba barang-barang yang viral atau makanan yang viral and that you feel disappointed of it ya. Dan setelah itu langsung kecewa nih. Tapi kalau makanan tuh biasanya lebih kerasa ya, kayak Sis Adinda tadi, wah terlalu manis nih. Tapi Sis Adinda tipikal yang nggak terlalu suka manis banget ya. Yes, one. And also, and how about have you ever feel satisfied? Kalau kita tadi kan kecewa, kita balik menjadi puas nih. Mungkin Sis Adinda pernah merasa puas ketika membeli barang. Have you ever felt satisfied after buying something? Yeah?
Um, maybe clothes.
Okay, clothes. Because that you love fashion so
Hmm.
much. It's about clothes.
Yeah,
Okay.
but the store is doing online live
Mm-mm.
streaming, live,
Wah.
and then
Mm-mm.
I choose one. I choose one of them, and then I buy it for instant delivery.
Mm-mm.
But the cloth is same like they promoted, and I feel
Oh,
really satisfied about that.
right. It's a part of the power of live streaming for shopping,
Yes.
basically, that you could
Hmm.
see directly about the materials like this one,
Yeah, like
and if you choose about the shipping, it's instant shipping. How
yeah.
much? Is that cheaper or maybe it's
For
more
free.
expensive? For free? Sure.
Yes.
Did you
Yes.
get about free shipping for instant shipping? Wow, for that. That's why the seller located in one city with you,
Yeah, it's when in
basically,
Tangerang.
in the same city for this one, right? Maybe if the seller of or maybe the shop, it's a different city, that's impossible, to get a
Yeah.
boat that's a instant shipping, because in my places is Adinda, it's
Hmm.
about instant shipping. It's kind of higher. This I never got about free shipping like you, for this one. I don't know why.
Karena
That's why
it's
I'm
small town ya.
yes, of course. That's correct. Because this I live in a small town, That's why it's kind of more expensive about the free shipping for the instant one, And that you get about the things that's already satisfied for exactly. And how often do you watch about live shopping? For this one. And maybe when you have a free time, that you try to scroll about this one. And how often that you want to buy it, the several stuff by the
Hmm.
online live streaming nih. Seberapa sering sih Kak SS Adinda juga kalau lagi nonton, keinginan belinya tuh berapa persen nih? That she wants to buy something by the online shopping, Oh, it's live shopping like this one.
Only in payday sale.
Okay, payday sale. That you
Yeah.
open it for this one, huh?
Yeah, or twin date only that because the
Okay,
price is more cheaper than usual.
okay. That's why payday sale around 25th or
25th
20.
until 30.
Oh, sure.
Yes,
That's why now it's about payday sale, though. It's about 31st. Is it
true.
include
Yes.
payday sale? Oh, right. No, I know. I think there's only twin dates, that we got
No.
that we got about there's a special discount, It looks
No.
like later it's about 40.40 like this one, right? Because before it's kind of 4.4 and before it's about 3.3 like this one. And also that we could find it's about payday sale too. That we could
Payday sale is for
Mhm,
3 days, but twin date
mhm.
is for only for one day.
It's only one day.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
It's a
It's about
tips and trick to buy online.
all right that you could get about the special deals, exactly,
Yeah, special
when you
deal.
buy it's about this one. Oh my God, it's about of your tricks, that you could
Hmm.
find it's about that, exactly. And when you try to buy about the online, like this one, have you ever tried to compare, sis Adinda? For several years ago, it's about online shopping, and now for the online shopping. Before there's is kinds of e-commerce looks like Shopee or maybe TikTok Shop or maybe Tokped. What kind of e-commerce did you use it, and how did you buy the online stuff? Cara beli online stuffnya dulu gimana sih kalau sebelum ada e-commerce? Like
I
that.
buy offline, of course.
Okay,
Belum ada
offline.
online.
That you don't buy any online one, maybe that you buy it from the e-commerce like a Shopee like this one gak pernah ya berarti, sorry, from Facebook or maybe from Instagram like this one, have you
No,
ever bought? No.
we can track the order.
Oh, that's why
Yeah,
that
that's
you
why I
don't
choose
want to
UP.
think about the risk,
Hmm, true.
Oh,
If you buy Shopee or TikTok, You can track
Mhm.
your order. It's uh, penipuan tuh apa sih? Bahasa Inggrisnya bentar.
Scam?
Yeah, it's a scam or not.
Mhm.
And if you don't like the product, you can return.
Okay. That's why that you choose about buying the online stuff by
Mm-mm.
the e-commerce, yeah. And
Yeah.
then it's kind of directly to the social media like this one, yeah. Okay. That's why for several years ago that you never got about the things, yeah. That you never bought the online shopping for, right. And that's a part of the things that you could find it basically. And have you ever sell something by the online?
Yes, I'm a Shopee seller too.
Sure. Wow, the
Yes.
Shopee seller. That's
Hmm.
why that you have a shop like this one, yeah?
No, no,
Saturday.
I only sell my old stuff like
Oh, pre-love. Like
pre-love,
a pre-love
pre-love.
one.
Uh,
Okay. I think that you have your own shop like this one, and also
mm,
that you try to sell about the several product like this one, yeah? That's
yeah.
why and what kind of pre-love that you ever try to
Most,
sell,
mostly makeup.
Oh, makeup. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Makeup and shoes.
Makeup and shoes for this
Yeah.
one. And what kind of shoes? Is that high heels or maybe
Sneakers.
sneakers? Oh, sneakers. Sure.
Yes, I do. I like sneaker. But if
Okay.
I get bored, I sell it and buy another one.
I think that's because that you say that you love about the Western fashions, yeah. That's why that you
Yeah.
prefer about the glamours, like high heels, like this one.
No,
But
no,
that's
no,
about
no.
sneakers. What
No,
kind of
simple
sneakers?
fashion.
What kind of
Um,
sneakers, Do you have a
n-
specific brand that you usually wear every day like that?
I have many brands. Puma, Converse, New
Mhm.
Balance, Adidas. Yeah,
Okay.
I have a lot.
Wow. There's about Puma that you love it, yeah, for this one.
Mm.
That's why there's about the sporty one, yeah, if you love about
Mm.
Puma. And also that you love about the Adidas too.
Yes.
And that you follows about the viral Adidas like a Samba or maybe there's
Yes.
another one. Yes, sure.
Of
That you
course,
follows
yes.
about the trend.
Yes.
Okay. And how did you find it's about the price, yeah? It's about the how did you get it? Is this around the retail price, or maybe it is about of the common price? About the common price is around 2,500,000.
Yeah, 2 million until 4 million.
Yes, of course. Depend on what kind of type
So, yeah.
or kinds of
Mm.
Adidas, right? Because it's about the higher one. This around that things, right? Because that we
Mm.
know it, yeah. It's about lifestyle Adidas and also sporty Adidas. That's really different, yeah. That we know it from the logo, yeah. Kalau
Right.
yang sporty kan there's only three strips like this one,
Mm.
but this is kind of lifestyle that we have another logos here for this one. Wow, it's about that she follows about Adidas Samba for this. And how about another sneaker that you follow for the viral one?
Puma Speed Cat.
Oh yes, of course, that's already viral too, yeah.
Yes,
Puma Speed
I
Cats
buy
too.
the type Rose series, Rose
Wow.
Blackpink.
Oh sure.
Yes, yes, I have
Oh,
one.
that you follow about this one. And how much it costs for that rose?
In Indonesia, around 2.5 million.
2.5 million.
Indonesia
Oh,
price is higher,
okay. When
higher
you try
than
to compare
other.
with,
Malaysia
right.
or Singapore.
Oh, Malaysia and Singapore is cheaper than Indonesia
Yeah,
price,
cheaper
basically.
200 lah.
That's why if you know it's about that you often buy something on Singapore or maybe Malaysia, sis Adita.
I prefer buy it Malaysia.
In Malaysia, sure.
Yeah,
That's why.
I buy bag and
Uh,
clothes too. Oh, but Singapore have a bahan yang bagus apa ya?
oh,
Good material.
the
Have a good
good
material.
material.
Yes.
What is a good material too? And when you want to buy something in Malaysia, that you
Hmm.
go directly to Malaysia or maybe that you buy the online one.
I go directly to Malaysia.
Wow, that's a really great, yeah. Because the ticket is kind of cheaper than we go to. It's kind of
Yes,
another Indonesia,
that's
yeah.
totally
It's just
true.
like a
That's
way
totally
cheap.
true.
when you go to, it looks like a Papua, or maybe when you go to Borneo, yeah, the
The hotel is
price.
the hotel is cheapest too.
Huh, sure.
Yes,
Okay, the
you
hotel is a
can
case
book
of cheapest.
300 or 400 for one night at Malaysia.
Oh my God, for 100,000 rupiah.
Yeah, 400.
Wow, that's a really cheap, yeah. That you could find it about that. Exactly. And could you mention about the several places that you ever visited there when you were in Malaysia? What's your
Uh,
favorite place?
my favorite place is Genting
Uh-huh.
and Mall, of course.
And also it's about mall, yeah. That you
Yes.
love it when you were in Malaysia, nih. All right. And why don't you choose about Singapore too? Since I did that, it's only Malaysia that you visited.
Hmm, Singapore kurs tuh tetap kurs ya bahasa Inggrisnya ya.
This
Kursnya
about
mahal apa nih?
currency.
Ya
Currency. That's
currency,
about the
currency
currency.
bener-bener.
That's about the, yes, I know it. It's about the currency for accommodation is kind of higher.
Yes,
Okay, untuk akomodasi.
13. Oh my God. One
Oh,
dollar is $1 Singapore is 13 right now. 13.
yes, of course, that's correct. Exactly. Yeah. This about 13. That's why the currency it's a bit higher nih than Malaysia. That's why the choose about Malaysia. Yeah. It's the best place for shopping nih. And have you ever tried to visit Thailand, Sis Adinda? And
Not
how about
yet,
Thailand? Not yet.
not
Right.
yet. But I
Not yet.
want to.
Why? Why did you want to visit Thailand soon, basically?
I think the food is interesting.
Oh, okay. It's about mango sticky rice that you
Yeah.
want to try. Okay.
Mango sticky rice and Thai tea.
Yeah. But mango sticky rice and Thai tea that you could find it there everywhere right now.
No, the
Even this.
mangoes is different.
Oh
The,
yes, of
the,
course. Exactly.
mm,
The mangoes is a difference like that there. And if you know it, yeah, it's about. It looks like a frozen mango or not, yeah? Because I ever got that souvenir from my friends is in there. Jadi
mm,
kayak mangonya tuh gak frozen tapi kayak ini di packing seperti it looks like a frozen food ya, kayak dikasih di plastik plastik apa
vacuum.
tuh? Yes, vacuum plastic like this one. Is that a frozen food or not ya? But when I
Mm,
tried, wow, that's a really
Sweet,
sweet mango.
sweet
And
and
oh
big.
my, yes, of course, sweet and big ya. As we know it ya, when we find it about Thailand fruits ya, kayak Thailand buah-buah Thailand tuh pasti besar-besar ya. That's why we know it's about jeruk Bangkok like this one ya. That's
Yes.
why there's a really big fruits that you could find it there ya. It's about Thailand that you want to visit and also that you want to try it. It looks like a food ya. Then shopping ya berarti ya. Prefer trying the several or culinary
Yes,
than shopping,
culinary.
right? And that's why that you follow about the several viral sneakers like this one, nah. And
Mm,
also, why do you follow it about this one, Sis Adinda? Or maybe that you love sneakers so much ya? Atau mungkin suka banget sama sneaker, or maybe because of your circle. Atau dikarenakan circle Sis Adinda, that's why that you prefer sneakers than high heel.
no, when I was a child, in the
Mm-mm.
from kindergarten until in college, I use sneakers. Then
This one.
yeah, then apa itu flat.
That's why that you never change your shoes.
Yeah,
Yeah. That you
I have
stick
high
on
heels too.
sneaker.
I have heels, high heels too. But I, if you want to, if I choose between high heels or sneakers, I will choose sneakers.
Okay, that's about it. That's why that you stick on sneakers, yeah. That you
Yeah,
and what kind of New Balance that you follow? Yang 420 atau mungkin
I
570 like
know.
this one style?
2002,
Oh,
2002,
2002.
2002.
Wow, that's about this New Balance, yeah, that you follow it exactly, yeah.
Mm-mm.
And if you choose about the sneaker, what's your favorite color? Do you have a specific color that you like it for sneaker?
Well, yes, white.
White,
I
full
have
white,
white.
like this
Yeah.
one. That's why all of your sneaker full white, yeah.
Uh, yeah. Not
Mhm.
all, but mostly white.
Mostly
My
white,
Nike
me.
shoes like I F1,
Mm-mm.
white color with green shadow, and
Mm-mm.
then my Samba is white too.
Mm-mm.
but I buy it limited, and
Okay.
then my Puma and
Mhm.
Converse is white too. Yeah, mostly white.
Mostly white that you have it nih.
Hmm.
For Converse nih, it's about that you prefer low or maybe high. Kan ada yang Chuck
Low.
Taylor yang tinggi, ada yang low like this one.
Uh, where kalau
Yang pendek atau
if
yang
I'm
tinggi?
still young, maybe I will just hike, but
Oh,
now I
high.
I just low.
Oh, that's now that you change it ya. Because of the age ya. Exactly.
Yeah,
Okay.
but
That's why this.
if you
Mhm.
know Doc Mart is good too.
Yes, I know it.
Yeah,
That you
Doc Mart.
have it, Doc Mart too? It's a part of the
Yes, I
boots.
have.
Oh my
I have.
God.
Oh yeah, I have the Mary Jane
Yeah,
series.
sure. That you have a
Yes,
Mary Jane series.
yes.
Right. And and now boots that's already viral too, yeah, goes virally.
But
And
too
exactly,
heavy for me.
too heavy too, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I never tried to wear it looks like a boots before, eh? That's why I don't know it about it looks like the feelings for this one, eh? But for sneakers, sometimes it's a almost it's a really common, yeah, for the it's kinds of hates that we could find it there. But Dogmart is kinds of heavy one. But how about Dogmart nih? What's your favorite color for Dogmart? Is it white? Because that's
I buy
impossible.
no 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 no. I buy red wine.
Mhm. Red
Red
wine that you buy
red
it.
wine. Yes.
Okay. And
I
why do you love Doc Mart too, especially boots? Yeah.
Yeah, it's because my father.
What's your father?
Yes, my
Okay.
father collecting all Doc Mart series.
Sure. Does
Yes.
your father collected
Yes,
all
he
of the
have
Doc Mart
low
series?
boot, Mary Jane, many Doc Mart.
Oh, that's really cool.
And I
Your father,
influenced
yeah,
my
since I
mom to
didn't.
buy it too.
Okay. Is your father? Does your father like it looks like a riding motorcycle? That's why does your father collected all of Doc
No,
Mart
he
series
like
like this one?
no. Jeep, yeah, Jeep.
Oh, Jeep.
He drive a Jeep.
Okay, that's still related to yeah. There's about Jeep, yeah. I
Off
think
road, yeah, he like
yes.
off road.
All right. I think it's about of motorcycle riders like this one, but no, yeah. There's about
No,
Jeep driver like that,
yeah.
yeah. That's
And
why
then
that you could.
pemain band tuh apa? The band.
Okay, it's about band members nih.
Yeah, band member.
Exactly. If your father love playing a music, does your father doesn't play there's a pop music, right? It's
Rock.
especially Doc Mart, yeah. Yes,
Yeah,
correct. It's about
rock.
rock music.
Rock band.
Okay. That's why that's impossible, yeah. For example, your father plays kinds of pop music or maybe R&B
And then
and wears a
not that
Doc Mart like this one, yeah.
not
That's
that with his
impossible,
style
yeah.
though.
Yes, that's a relate, yeah. Jeep, music, yeah, can, and also Doc Mart like that. That's why, yeah. Maybe it's the effect of your father's too, yeah. That's your father gave you a lot of sneakers when you were a child like that, is Adinda, yeah. That's why till
Yeah,
now that you stick on the sneaker like this one.
true.
There's a different maybe
Because
your
my mother is
parents
so
give you something.
feminine.
Hey, sure,
She
feminine.
always
But
angry when I buy another one
uh,
sneaker. Why you buy this? And I answer because I love it. Just it. And
okay.
I yeah.
That's why the shoe is kind of more comfortable for this one, yeah. Especially the Sephora sneakers like that at Sedok Mati. And that's why, have you ever got about the several influence, especially for music influence from your father? Serinda, mungkin mendapatkan
Um,
pengaruh-pengaruh musik dari ayahnya
I
juga
like
mungkin.
more EDM than rock.
EDM. Hmm.
Yes.
It's
Like
about
David
electronic.
Guetta or
Mm-mm.
Calvin Harris. Not rock.
All right. Right.
But
It's
I
about
know,
EDM, yeah. Mhm.
yeah, maybe rock music is like one okay rock, yeah. I
Yes,
know.
of course. It's about the Japanese rock
Band.
music.
Yeah.
Yes. And as we know it, the artists are really famous, yeah, right
Mm.
now. And for the several years ago, as we could find it on Billboard, yeah, especially when K-rock. Okay, that's why that you prefer Japanese rock, yeah, than Western. But your style is about Western, but your music's about Japanese and also
Oh,
EDM.
but I like K-pop too.
Oh, K-pop too.
Yes,
That you prefer
BTS.
boy band or girl band? Because that you say about Rose before, right?
Yeah, I only like the Blackpink style, but if for the
Okay.
music, I like BTS. I'm a
Oh,
army. Yes, I'm their
oh,
fan.
that you are an army, eh? And how about uh, what's your favorite BTS members? I think that. Did you stick on Jungkook, or maybe there's another one?
Oh, you know Jungkook. Yeah, I
Yes,
like
I know.
him, but I like Kim Seokjin, the oldest one.
Oh, the old ones for this one, eh? I
Yes.
know it because he has a lot of tattoo on his arm.
Oh,
That's why,
yeah,
wow,
it's cool.
that's
It's
so
cool. Yeah.
really cool. Like this one.
Yeah,
No,
I
there is
won
a
one tattoo
movement.
too. I won
And
one
sure.
tattoo. But
All
yeah, I
right.
won't get one tattoo, but my mom not let me in. So yeah.
Sure. Well, even though that you have your own family right now, that you don't want to escape of realize your dream like this one. Even
No,
though
for tattoo is yeah, I can. Kalau tattoo enggak deh gitu deh.
okay, for that, I think they should try to think twice for this one because I have a family now. Wow, I'm gonna have it one day. All right. Okay. Why do you want to get it for that? This is I didn't that because of the actor or because of the musician that you see it. That's why that you want to have it one, especially for
Ah,
tattoo.
apa tattoo?
Mm.
I don't know. Maybe. Well, I only want to apa sih? Mukir nama tuh apa bahasa Inggrisnya?
Okay, that you
Uh,
want to carve.
yeah,
Mm.
carve my mother name. Only that. Yeah.
It's only that. It's a part of the dream tattoo, yeah. That she
Yeah.
wants to have it, yeah. That's why that you prefer as kinds of lettering, yeah.
Yeah,
Nah, for this
lettering.
one, for the name or maybe for the alphabet that you could find it for this one, yeah. Basically. Okay, it's a really cool. It's a part of the several things that you have tried to mention, yeah. Start from sneakers and also support of the music that you like it, yeah. And also Dope Mart and also EDM like this one. And Blackpink, yeah, the one and
Mhm.
only that you love it, and also BTS. That's why that you don't follows about the newcomers boy band or girl band, yeah. Looks like a
Mhm.
Heart to Heart or maybe NCT's about the new wave boy band like this one, yeah.
No, 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 no. Yeah.
Or maybe 17 like this
Oh my
one,
God.
yeah.
I know them, but I don't like them.
That you don't like it for
Yes.
that. Or maybe it looks like a baby monster like
Oh,
this
you know a
one.
lot about K-pop.
Nah, because there's a lot of my members who love it for the things basically.
Oh,
It's
okay.
it looks like even that's kinds of my uh kids member too. Says I did this. I don't know it. They know it's about the several K-pop or maybe boy
Oh,
band.
Baby Monster, maybe I
Yes,
they
I
know.
try to check it. Yeah, when I ask them, yeah, I know it Baby Monster from them, yeah. And what's your favorite musician? They say it to me, Baby Monster, bro. Who's Baby Monster for that? And I try to search on YouTube. Oh, it looks like a boy band. I think Baby Monster it looks like a band, yeah. Because the name
Yes.
Baby and Monster. Wow, that's so really great for this. That's the thing that I know it, yeah. From Korea, there's only one. I know by myself, yeah, since I didn't. It's a
Hmm.
part of soloist. Uh, her name is Bibi. Namanya Bibi. It's a part of the soloist. This isn't babe. That's she
Oh.
isn't girl band. It's only soloist me for this one. And
Hmm.
also it's a part of Jun Shomi. Jun Somi for this one. It's a part of the soloist that I know it. But there's
Oh, okay.
another boy band or girl band. I know it from my members exactly. That's why I know the several girl bands or maybe boy bands nih. But
Hmm.
mostly it's only girl band ya. That's I know it. And
Yeah.
for Jungkook, this I know it when my friend often says about him exactly ya. She
Yeah.
she a big fans about Jungkook ya, and she tells about that things and she show about his appearance and I amazed, yeah, about his appearance. Yeah, that's a really
Hmm.
cool than another one nih, basically. Okay. That's a part of the things ya. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan beberapa kosakata ini untuk mempromosikan produk. Di sini ada beberapa ini ya gambar. Mungkin Bro Fahmi atau Sis Adinda mau mencoba mendeskripsikan gambar ini dengan menggunakan beberapa expression tadi teman-teman. That you can use about the several expression. nih, that you can choose it, one of them, and please try to describe it nih. Nanti teman-teman pilih aja dulu. Nanti akan bro tunjukkan ya, expression tadi atau beberapa kosakata yang kita bisa gunakan tadi nih. Jadi nanti kita bisa, we can use about introduce the product, tell about ingredients, tell special things about the product ya, tell how to get it, ceritakan bagaimana cara mendapatkannya, invite them to buy your product nih. Okay. Which one that you want to choose it ya teman-teman ya. Kira-kira teman-teman ingin pilih yang mana dari beberapa gambar ini? I'm gonna give you about 5 minutes to think about that. Setelah itu silahkan dipilih dan nanti bisa teman-teman aplikasikan beberapa expression ini. That you can choose it. Which one product that you want to choose nih. And the picture that's already familiar ya. There is a Indomie ya. There's everyone knows about Indomie. And also there is a service center ya. That you could find it about the second one, service center. If there's something wrong with your phone, that you could put your phone on service center like this one. And also there is a brownies and there is a tourism. The last one is about tourism ya, teman. Atau tempat wisata nih. Oke. Kira-kira yang mana yang ingin teman-teman pilih nih? Which one that you want to choose it and that you could describe it about this product? Oke, Bro Fahmi. Which one, Bro Fahmi? Yang mana? Mau pilih yang mana, Bro
Just
Fahmi?
Indomie, Indomie.
Indomie. Oke, Bro tunjukin ya. Ininya introduction. Ini beberapa kosakatanya yang bisa Bro Fahmi gunakan. Oke, silakan Bro Fahmi. That you choose Indomie. That you can use about this expression ya. Silahkan digunakan beberapa expression ini nih. That you could describe it, Bro Fahmi.
Okay, the product is Indomie.
Mhm.
It's made in Indonesia.
Mhm.
You can get this in Nerby store.
Mhm.
Maybe it's enough.
That's enough. Okay, that's correct. Bro Fahmi, jadi kalau
Yeah,
mau bilang
Indomie is
Mhm.
okay.
Indomie, sekali lagi, apa? Continue, Bro Fahmi. Indomie,
Okay, Indomie.
continue for this one.
Yeah,
Apa lagi? Is it enough? Or maybe that you want to
Indomie is
continue to
instant noodle.
describe?
Maybe
Oh, Indomie in instant noodle too. For the last one.
Indomie
Okay.
is instant noodle.
Okay. It's really nice for this one ya. So, jadi kalau mau bilang dibuat di Indonesia nggak perlu pakai Indonesian ya, Bro Fahmi ya. Soalnya kalau Indonesia nanti orangnya. But kalau negaranya bisa
Oh
pakai
yeah.
Indonesia aja. Made in Indonesia. Itu
Oh,
aja untuk koreksinya. Nah, that's correct for this one.
made
Okay.
in Indonesia. Okay, thank you.
When you try to talk about Indomie, Bro Fahmi, how often do you eat Indomie? Do you eat Indomie? It looks like 3 times in a week or twice in a week? Berapa kali dalam seminggu kalau makan Indomie biasanya?
Um, one in 1 week. 1 week.
Once in a
Gimana?
week. Oke, sekali.
Yeah, once in a week.
Oke. Once in a
Okay,
week
so
that you eat Indomie. And what's your favorite Indomie flavor? Apa nih rasa
flavor
Indomie yang Bro Fahmi suka?
soto.
Soto, berarti lebih ke boiling noodle dong ya? Rebus dong kalau soto.
Yeah, but
Okay,
Yeah,
that you love about boiling noodle for this one, exactly. Why do you prefer boiling noodle than fried noodle? Kenapa lebih suka yang rebus daripada yang goreng, Bro Fahmi?
and I'm like ini soup food,
Oh, you like
makanan
soup.
berkuah.
Oke, benar. Jadi kalau suka makanan berkuah bisa pakai yang I like soup nih. That's why that you prefer boiling noodle ya. For
Yeah.
that things ya, that you can say it. And do you usually cook by yourself or maybe there's someone who try to cook to you? Lebih suka bikin sendiri mie atau dimasakin? Kalau untuk mie.
Bikin sendiri.
Oke, berarti I cook by myself, Bro Fahmi.
It's cooked by myself.
Bener, that's correct. I cook by myself like this one nih. Do you have a special recipe? Ada resep yang spesial ketika Bro Fahmi bikin Indomie maybe? Mungkin ditambahkan sesuatu like chili like this one.
Hmm,
Maybe
apa ya? Ingredients
tambahin,
atau bumbunya?
ditambahin ditambahin bumbu tambahan nggak? That you give additional ingredients when you make Indomie?
Bumbunya di ini masak bersamaan sama minyak.
Oh, berarti I cook
I
the
cook
the seasoning
the seasoning
with
with
the
noodles.
noodle. Alright, that's correct for this one ya. Wah, itu ternyata triksnya ya. Kalau buat boiling noodle ya, langsung that you mix ya. When you are cooking that
Yeah, to
noodle.
mix.
Okay, that's correct for this one ya. Bro Fahmi, that you have tried to mention about noodle. And also especially Indomie, that's your favorite one. And also, kalau topping ada nggak favorite topping? Do you have a favorite topping for boiling noodle? Maybe fried egg or sunny side up, or maybe sausage, or maybe fried chicken. Untuk lauknya atau side dishnya, ada nggak favoritnya, Bro Fahmi?
Uh, 2 egg and sayur sawi. Apa sawi ya?
Oke, right. Sebut vegetable ya. That you love it
Yeah,
ya,
vegetable.
basically ya.
Yeah,
It looks like a vegetable and two egg. Spesifik dua ya.
two egg,
Disebut
two eggs.
two for this one. Fried or boiling? Atau langsung dicampur nih, Bro Fahmi biasanya kalau two eggs-nya. That you mix directly to the noodle, or maybe that you fried differently or
Eh,
separately.
direbus terpisah.
Oh, direbus terpisah ya. That you boil nih
Yeah.
separately for this one. Okay, that's a really cool bro Fahmi ya. That you have mentioned about this noodle nih. Okay, or maybe Sis Adinda mau mencoba which one that you want to choose it ya. Based on this picture, because Bro Fahmi choose about Indomie, and how about you?
I will choose brownies.
Okay, brownies, go on. That you can use about this expression ya, Sis Adinda.
Okay. Um, Hi everyone.
Hmm?
Uh, Today I want to introduce my product. I sell brownies. My
Hmm?
brownies are soft, moist, and very delicious. They are made from high quality ingredient like chocolate, butter, and fresh egg.
Hmm?
You can find it in another store. And then my brownies have a rich chocolate taste and are perfect for dessert and snack. The price is affordable. You can order it through my WhatsApp number, and I also can deliver it to other city as well. Grab this fast.
Okay. That's correct for this one ya. That's just about the affordable ya. Jadi bener banget. Nanti kalau teman-teman ingin mau bilang terjangkau, jadi nggak perlu pakai it's not cheap, it's not expensive too ya. Nah, jadi langsung aja pakai affordable kalau harganya terjangkau. Soalnya kalau kalau Indonesia kan kadang kita bilang, wah nggak terlalu mahal, nggak terlalu murah juga. Nah, kalau itu, kalau di luar, that you could say it's about affordable atau langsung kita bisa pakai terjangkau. That's a real closest Adinda when you try to say it's about that ya. And also that you try to put about the special service ya. Jadi bisa dikirim ya, that you could send ya, even in out of the city for this one. That's a really clear. That's about of your explanations about brownies ya, and also that you try to mention about the special things ya, yang moist ya. Okay, that's correct about this one. That's a part of the specialty from the brownies that you have tried to say it before, basically. And also, there's a perfect explanation when you try to use it about this one. Gak ada yang miss by the way. It's a really great. And also that you try to put about the good grammatical structure. And please try to mention the most delicious brownies that exist in your city. Have you ever tried it? Maybe Sis Adinda. The most delicious brownies in your city. Ada nggak? Brownies terenak di kota Sis
No,
Adinda.
no. I live in South Tangerang only for 1 year, so I still don't know.
You don't know ya? The most
Yeah.
delicious brownies ya?
Hmm.
Okay. And maybe the support of your previous city or in your hometown. Kalau di tempat di kota asal Sis Adinda, ada mungkin the most delicious brownies
Malang maybe,
in
but
Malang?
it's a homemade. Yeah, I'm from Malang.
Mhm.
Yeah, in Malang,
Okay.
but it's a homemade. From I get it from someone. It's hampers. Yeah, I don't know
Okay.
where they buy it.
Okay. When you get about the hampers like this one, and did you
Yeah,
find it about the most delicious
brownies.
homemade brownies ya?
Yeah,
Okay ya. For this one
yeah,
nih,
because
basically.
brownies, iya campur sama es krim tuh apa? Include ice cream.
Oh,
In,
include ice cream too, yeah, that you
yeah,
can find it. That's why when you try to compare between Tangerang and Malang, there's already different weather ya. That's what you say.
yeah.
Gak kaget tuh dari from Malang move to
Shock,
Tangerang ya.
shock, shock,
Wow,
shock, shock.
because Malang that's a really cool like this one ya. Even as we
Yeah.
know it, Batu is kind of colder than Malang like that ya.
Mm-mm.
But that you move to Tangerang, wow, that's a really hot like this one.
Yeah,
That
the
you could
weather
find
is
it.
bad, water is
Mhm.
bad, and semua bad. Semua bad.
It's everything bad.
Yeah,
It's a worse
only
for
bad thing
everything.
here.
Okay, that's a part of the things. That's why that you get about the shock yeah, for this one, yeah. And also that you find about the most delicious brownies too, yeah. Okay, that's a really cool sis Adinda that you have tried to say it about this one. Okay, thank you
Thank you,
everyone,
Bro
bro.
Yud.
You're welcome, bro. Sis Adinda and bro Fahmi that you have joined this our class today, yeah. From webinar class to be a private class, yeah, because there's only two of you, yeah.
Yes,
Fahmi and sis Adinda
still fun.
today. That's a really fun. Maybe the other one that's a really busy ya di hari ini. Kayak tadi Sis Nurma nggak bisa join dikarenakan cucunya is about the grandson like this one get unwell like this one. And also it looks like Altan and also Bunda Abim nggak bisa join because of Altan kan lagi sekolah di hari ini ya.
Hmm.
Alright, Bunda Abim nggak bisa because Kenneth uh she hasn't finished her work for this one. Okay, thank
Sorry,
you.
Bro Yud.
Yes.
Kalau kita lanjut ke level 2, nanti kelasnya sama dengan Bro Yud atau beda teacher lagi?
Oh, it's kind of different, Sarinda.
Oh,
There's a
oke.
different tutor ya, basically. Nanti kalau
Oh,
untuk di level yang kedua, teman-teman, di basic 2, levelnya masih sama, tapi materinya sama tutornya berbeda. The support of the
oh,
tutors and also the material, that's so different. Jadi teman-teman
oke.
nggak usah khawatir ya. Jadi levelnya masih sama. Jadi ada beberapa pilihan di speaking partner, ada basic one, basic two, intermediate. Jadi kalau intermediate itu lebih menengah, jadi prakteknya bahasa Inggrisnya lebih banyak for this one. But in basic two itu masih 50% English and 50% Indonesia dikarenakan goals-nya adalah agar teman-teman semakin percaya diri. Like this one.
Oke.
Nah, tapi kalau untuk yang intermediate itu nanti lebih wide lagi ya. Jadi untuk penjelasannya lebih luas lagi, like this one. And also lebih ke ini pengembangan dari confident teman-teman kalau untuk yang intermediate. That's why it's about of difference, the several level in speaking partner ya. Okay, thank you Bro Fahmi and Sis Adida that you have tried to
Okay,
join
thank
us our class.
you.
Besok akan berjelaskan ya untuk persiapan exam kita di hari Jumat. Thank you for coming teman-teman. Thank you for joining and see ya tomorrow.